Tonight's show, sponsored in part by McDonald's, where it's always a good time to have fun.
The night Birdie the early bird came to McDonald Land, starring Ronald McDonald and friends. Once upon a time, long ago, a box fell from the sky, and it read,
"Open me."
"Oh, my."
Oh, Ronald, open that box, please, please, I beg.
And Ronald did.
Why, inside's a wonderful egg.
That's a really big egg.
Ooh, what kind could it be?
Looks like an early bird to me.
But that bird wouldn't hatch, wouldn't come out and play.
Let's give it some love. What do you say?
So they made it a nest, kept it warm through the night.
Rubble, rubble.
That egg cracked a smile.
What a beautiful sight.
Now Ronald knew if he brought on the day, that early bird would come out.
Tell McDonald Land's where I'll stay.
It's a good time for the great day
You betcha!
of McDonald's.